Ethical dimensions of HRM. In this topic, we will discuss about ethics of human resources and principles of ethical dimensions of human resource management. But before we proceed, we will now first know what is ethical dimension of HRM. Ethical dimensions of HRM. Human resource is essential for hiring competent and skilled people to gain profit. Aside from the possession of these characteristics, it is also significant to embed ethical values among them. This will enable them to work effectively with others and promote goodwill in the organization. It is important for the human resource to generate the traits of morality and ethics and put it into practice the ethical dimensions. Implementation of ethical dimensions enables the human resource to carry out their job duties satisfactorily, form good terms and relationship with others as well as outside the organization, acquire promotional opportunities, augment their career prospects, and retain their jobs. Also, it covers those ethical issues arising around the relationship between employer and employee, such as the rights and duties owed among them. And now, we will proceed to of human resources. Ethics is the ethics is the key branch of philosophy concerned with analyzing what is right and wrong, particularly in terms of behavior of the individuals and conduct. Ethics are morality. Ethics and morality are terms that are often used interchangeably in this discussion, which involves both positive as well as negative concerns. I believe that the organizational ethics begins with the professional who leads the human resource function of an organization, meaning to say that they are the one responsible for building and maintaining a foundations of ethics. The ethics of human resource management or HRM covers those ethical issues arising from the terms and relationship that develop among the employers and employees. The employers and employees have certain rights and duties towards each other. In order to carry out their job duties in well-organized manner, it is vital for them to implement ethics and generate information in terms of various aspects. Also, there should not be any type of discrimination on the basis of any economic factors such as caste, creed, race, religion, ethnicity, gender, age, education, and socio-economic background. And now, let's proceed to the principles of ethical dimensions of human resource management. The ethical values translated into active language establishing a standard or rules describing the kind of behavior of an ethical person should not get engaged in are the ethical principles. In other words, the principle of ethical dimensions make provision of information to the individuals in terms of the traits that are necessary to emerge into good human being and generate positive outcomes in the performance of their job duties. It can be stated that it is vital for individuals to generate the traits of morality and ethics to achieve organizational goals. The principle of ethical dimensions of human resource management have been stated as follows. First, we have honesty. Telling the truth seems to be a struggle for everyone. Well, we are human after all, and we wrestle with the concept of the truth in many different ways. Within the organization, all the members need to ensure that they are honest in their dealings. Honesty is regarded as one of the important traits that helps the members of the organization to maintain their image within the organization. It has to be depicted in the implementation of job duties as well as in dealing with others. Ethical executives are honest and truthful in all their dealings, and they do not deliberately mislead or deceive others by misrepresentations, overstatements, partial truths, selective omissions, or any other means, because these are regarded as dishonest acts, which may even compel the individuals to get suspended from their jobs. The next one is integrity. Integrity is referred to truthfulness, reliability, and uprightness, meaning to say that it is doing the right thing even when no one is around. When the employees are acquiring knowledge regarding the organization through training and development programs, they also generate awareness in terms of integrity. One can successfully work towards the achievement of organizational goals and objectives when they put into practice the trait of integrity. Ethical executives demonstrate personal integrity and the courage of their convictions by doing what they think is right even when there is immense pressure to do otherwise. Integrity also enables the individual to depict honorableness and uprightness. They will struggle for their rights and will not be deceitful or unprincipled in their tasks and functions. Then the last one for my report is promise keeping and trustworthiness. Within the organization, the individual must need to keep their promises and develop trustworthiness, especially when they are working on research projects or when they need to deal with customers. And they need to uphold their promises and develop trustworthiness. In some cases, when they are providing services to the customers, they, they may take money in advance. Therefore, promise keeping and trustworthiness are vital principles of ethical dimensions of HRM. The employees are prompt and forthcoming in supplying relevant information and modifying apprehensions of fact. They make all kinds of effort to fulfill the letters and spirit of their promises and commitment. They do not interpret agreements in an unreasonably technical or legalistic manner in order to rationalize non-compliance or create justification for evading from their commitments. And that will conclude my report.